Hello turtle enthusiasts, today we're delving into the fascinating world of the giant Mexican musk turtle, a captivating species originating from the river systems of Mexico and Guatemala. Known for its unique appearance and aquatic lifestyle, this turtle has become a sought-after species among reptile enthusiasts. The giant Mexican musk turtle is recognized for its distinctive three-keeled shell and musky scent, adding to its charm in the world of turtle keeping. This turtle species showcases a robust build with a distinctive three-keeled shell providing a unique appearance. With webbed feet and a streamlined shape, the giant musk turtle is well adapted to its aquatic lifestyle. Its dark coloration and musky scent glands contribute to its fascinating characteristics. This species is a medium to large-sized turtle, making it an eye-catching addition to aquatic setups. To thrive, giant Mexican musk turtles require spacious aquatic enclosures with clean water, basking spots, and appropriate heating. Creating an environment that mimics their natural river habitat is crucial for their well-being. Due to their size and aquatic lifestyle, these turtles are best suited for enthusiasts with experience in keeping semi-aquatic reptiles. Consider incorporating aquatic plants and floating vegetation into the turtle's enclosure. This not only enhances the aesthetics of their habitat, but also provides enrichment, creating a more dynamic and natural setting for their aquatic reptiles. Primarily kept for their unique appearance and aquatic behavior, giant Mexican musk turtles are treasured additions to your turtle collections. Their presence in captivity offers enthusiasts the opportunity to observe and appreciate the behavior of these distinctive species. Its unique appearance, aquatic lifestyle, and musky scent make it a cherished choice among those who appreciate the diversity of reptiles. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the world of animals. Until next time, may your aquatic adventures be filled with wonder, and may the giant Mexican musk turtle grace your collection with a distinctive charm. Farewell and happy turtle keeping.